Yeah, it sure is nice and warm in the sun. Look at me.
Stay away. Keep your distance. Oh, hey. Hey, it's your boy, Beaver. It's me and Frugaloo. We're out here in Mount Adams Burn Country. We're going for a little trip to Crystal Lake.
Crystal Lake.
Ideally, which is 10 miles away. It is currently 2 o'clock. Sunset at 6 o'clock.
6:30.
6 o'clock. We're gonna try and book it and see how far we can go. We don't know if we're gonna be hitting any snow. Didn't really talk, well, I guess we did talk to the rangers who said that there was no visible snow.
They looked at it from the ranger station.
From the ranger station, so I don't know. It's not looking too bad right now. This is 5,300 feet.
Yeah.
Ish.
Cold Spring, Trailhead, Campground.
Little buggy. We're gonna see how it goes. I didn't bring my GoPro or anything else, so I'm just recording off my phone. Hopefully that works out. Goodbye. Okay. Nice little view. Going some uphill. Going uphill some. A little bit. It's a little warm. Probably like 50 or 60 degrees. It's nice. Perfect hiking temperature. And we've made it to the junction. I don't know what junction. But as you can see, we've hit a little bit of snow on the trail there. There's the boy at the junction. Here's the mountain. And we shall continue. Well, God dang it, folks. If that ain't a 2 mountain view if I've ever seen one. Pulled up on a little creek. Nice. Nice little creek. This late in the year, pretty good flow. Okay. Lucas is gonna scout ahead a little bit. I mean, my foot is wet already. Hoping that we can dry out our shoes for tonight. It's gonna be cold.
Oh!
Yeah.
So cold.
Get a little wet. Safe. Yep.
This got claws.
That one definitely does, yeah.
Sweet. A wolf maybe, or a coyote.
From there to there, probably about a mile. So I said we got about a mile and a quarter, mile and a third, mile and a half.
That wouldn't be too bad. Let's see what the junction at Looking Glass is like.
Yeah, and so this, oh, we're pretty far, yeah.
To get to the meadows, we're pretty far.
Well, so we can go down to Looking Glass Lake, and there's a wildcat meadow or something like that. That's probably the same distance to the meadow. What's it called? The meadow that we've been talking about? What's it called?
Looking Glass? Looking Ass Lake.
So the junction is just beyond this crossing.
Fascinating. Some good light. Some good light outside right now. Figure out where to go right now. We're at the junction from Looking Glass Lake and the roundabout, the mountain trail. And we could go this way and perhaps do more post holing.
there's someone else over there.
Might be someone else over there, or someone was there recently. I don't know. I'm stumped. Truly and surely.
Let's do this. Why don't we... We don't know anything about Looking Glass Lake. It sounds nice.
Sounds like a snack. Currently wondering if we're going to be running into anyone or not. We do see some footprints, but I don't know. I think they're days old.
I think they're fresh. They smell fresh.
Currently, both of our feet are cold and wet, and I don't think that's going to change.
Nope.
Until we get to camp. Lucas, what happens if turns out that person that we've been following is a spooky witch?
Spooky witch.
Or a spooky warlock?
Damn. I came prepared. I don't know about you.
We have arrived at the lake, and it sounds like Lucas was right, that there is a person there. So we're gonna go see if we can find a good sequestered spot. Sequestered, secluded, we'll see. Kind of a dumpy lake. It's not the nicest, but I don't know, it's not the nicest time of year for it either.
Alright. What are you thinking?
Let's go see what we can find on the other trails. Alright, I think we're fueling up for a brief minute before we head to our final resting
We
place.
inform them of our benevolent decision.
Benevolent decision to not take... I don't think you can see the campsite from up here, can you? Anyways, just right down there next to the lake. Get these pointers out. Right down there is a nice campsite with a fire pit, but it's also right across the lake from the people camping right there. So we wanted a little more privacy and decided to bestow that upon them as well.
Very good of us.
We leave no trace, except memories. The light is quickly fading. It's just a little past 6:15 maybe. It's already getting dark.
Get right over the top. In a teepee-like fashion.
Lucas is mad that I'm not TPing, but I'm just not a TP kind of person, you know? And I just started this beautiful log cabin style fire, which I know it isn't traditional log cabin, you know, frame. I don't have like 90-degree lines or anything like that, but I think it's a solid fire, and I think it's gonna burn fine.
I think it'll burn even finer with the addition of some teepee influence.
Well, I mean, either way, it's gonna be roaring in a second here, so we better get that TP started.
Ow! Oh god. Perfect.
I guess. I mean, it was fine before, but yeah, sure. Nice. About to chow down, about to have some beer.
Yeah.
Under the beautiful moonlight.
I think what we do is, like, if we just get it blasting right now, get it really hot, get a really good base of embers. This is so nice.
Can already see some stars.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So grateful that we had, so thankful that we had such awesome weather. Oh, we lucked out with this spot too.
Got a little beer for me. Seat next to the fire.
I'm still working away.
Lucas is slaving away for some reason. Do you think it's burning?
I think so. I think these are positive developments of the fire.
Perhaps our best?
You know,
Our best fire ever?
it's pretty good.
The fire that we had at Trinity was pretty damn good, though.
A Trinity. Oh,
When
we
it
had
was-
a couple fires there.
Yeah, when it was really cold.
Oh yeah, we would have been donezo without those.
Aki just throwing gigantic logs to split them.
Yeah. I'd forgotten about that. I think for most people, like, camping is not really much about fire.
Let's see. Take a look at the menu for tonight. Got a big old bag of chips, some Oreos. Got tea, decaf tea, 3 different kinds, maybe 4. Hot cider, beef and cheddar sticks, big old sandwich, and oatmeal for tomorrow.
I mean, they call it an upgrade, but I think it's just, you still pay money. Or like a, yeah. Ah, man.
I think it needs another one.
I don't think it's gonna work. I think it needs some more burnage. Wait, never mind. That works. Oh!
It's fighting back.
Yeah, it is.
It's 9 o'clock. YouTube family.
What's up?
I'm here. Nice night. Underneath the stars. Now it's time for some breakfast. Get that fire going, Lucas. We got to break out the cast iron. Lucas is tearing down the tent. Show you a little tour of our campsite here. Got a nice little waterfall up there a little bit. Down here, a nice little brook. Fire ring here. And I guess this is the trail here. And another creek over there, some snow. Just about to heat up some water for some brekkie. Perhaps some tea for me. A little closer view of the waterfall here. Beautiful blue skies ahead for us today. So Lucas seems to be under the illusion that it's gonna take us fucking 3 hours to start a fire here.
3 hours! It's gonna take us an hour to cook on a fire.
We ran out of gas for the
Because
stove.
Steve didn't bring enough.
I didn't bring enough. I was gambling a little bit. I wanted to use up the last of this fucking gas because otherwise I'm just gonna fucking waste it. So I'm building a fire, and it's going to be a lovely cooking fire, which we will boil water on in a mere 15 minutes. All right, here we go.
You like this? You happy with this?
It totally went out.
Oh, you're suffocating it.
Decided to go for teepee style with this one.
Teepee style is what saved the log cabin last time.
But the log cabin is what caused the fire to endure throughout the night. All right, put the pot on.
That's ready for cooking.
And in a mere, let's say, 10 minutes, we have fire. And a rolling boil is soon to follow. Breakfast is served. Fancy oatmeal in my pot. Lucas having a skillet and some coffee. I got some tea brewing over here. We have just departed the campsite, and we're back on the trail. A nice 11 o'clock departure. A little bit slow for us, but it's all right. It's been a nice mellow trip.
All the ones we can see right now. That's the blast zone right there, right?
Yep.
That is cool.
I'm pretty sure the blast zone actually might be bigger. That doesn't look big enough.
Let's see, are we facing it?
Just have a little sit. Sitting a gander. We're currently on the spooky descent down the South Climb Trail, I think it is. The wind's picking up a little bit, and trees are making some spooky noises. And we're back at the trailhead. An easy 6.85 miles in 3 hours, 16 minutes. And I think we're headed for some food at the Old Logs, a beloved institution of Trout Lake.
I've seen it all in my own head.